Intellect QMS Online Training. Revolutionizing Quality Management with Intellect QMS. Intellect QMS, Quality Management System, offers a comprehensive solution that helps organizations improve and streamline their quality management processes. Here's how Intellect QMS revolutionizes quality management. 1. Automation of quality processes. Intellect QMS automates key quality management workflows such as CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, non-conformance reports, NCRs, audits, and change control. Automation reduces manual efforts, minimizes errors, and speeds up resolution times. 2. Customization and flexibility. The platform is highly customizable, allowing organizations to tailor the QMS to their specific industry needs. This flexibility ensures that the system can adapt to different regulatory standards and business processes, enhancing efficiency. 3. Integrated compliance management. Intellect QMS supports compliance with major industry standards such as ISO, FDA, GMP, and others. It centralizes documentation and provides real-time visibility into compliance status, reducing the risk of non-compliance. 4. Data-driven insights. By leveraging analytics, Intellect QMS provides actionable insights into quality performance. It enables organizations to track key performance indicators, KPIs, identify trends, and make informed decisions to improve overall product quality. 5. Enhanced collaboration. The platform fosters collaboration among cross-functional teams by providing a centralized repository for all quality-related information. This improves communication and alignment across departments such as manufacturing, engineering, and regulatory affairs. 6. Document and training management. Intellect QMS includes features for managing documents, ensuring version control, and tracking training records. This helps maintain up-to-date and compliant documentation while ensuring that employees are properly trained on quality standards and processes. 7. Risk management. Intellect QMS incorporates risk management tools that help organizations assess, mitigate, and monitor risks throughout the product life cycle. This proactive approach to risk management ensures that potential issues are identified early and addressed before they affect quality. 8. Scalability. Intellect QMS is scalable, allowing organizations to grow without outgrowing the system. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, the system can scale to meet your needs. 9. Mobile accessibility. With mobile capabilities, users can access the QMS from anywhere, enabling real-time updates and faster decision-making, especially for field employees and remote teams. 10. Continuous improvement. The system promotes a culture of continuous improvement by tracking performance metrics and providing the tools to implement improvements. It encourages feedback loops and the use of Lean Six Sigma methodologies for ongoing quality enhancements. How Intellect QMS drives compliance and excellence in every industry. Intellect QMS, Quality Management System, is a versatile platform designed to help organizations across various industries drive compliance, enhance quality, and ensure operational excellence. Here's how it contributes to achieving these goals. 1. Streamlined compliance with industry standards. Regulatory adherence. Intellect QMS ensures that organizations remain compliant with industry regulations, such as ISO standards, FDA regulations, and GMP guidelines. By automating workflows and tracking compliance activities, it reduces the risk of non-compliance. Audit trails. The system maintains detailed audit trails of all activities, ensuring that organizations can quickly respond to audits and inspections, thereby demonstrating their commitment to compliance. 2. Improved quality control. Real-time monitoring. Intellect QMS offers tools for continuous monitoring of quality parameters across all processes, from product design to delivery. This real-time data enables proactive management of quality issues before they escalate. Document control. It ensures that critical documents such as standard operating procedures, SOPs, work instructions, and product specifications are up to date and accessible, preventing errors caused by outdated or incorrect information. 3. Efficient process management. Automation of workflows. Intellect QMS automates key processes such as CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, non-conformance management, and training management. This automation reduces human error, enhances efficiency, and ensures that processes follow best practices. Process standardization. The system helps organizations standardize processes across departments and geographies, ensuring consistency in quality outputs. 4. Data-driven insights for continuous improvement. Reporting and analytics. Intellect QMS offers powerful reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into key performance indicators, KPIs. This data can be used to identify areas for improvement and implement changes that enhance operational performance and customer satisfaction. Root cause analysis. With integrated tools for root cause analysis, organizations can investigate quality issues systematically and address underlying problems to prevent recurrence. 5. Risk management and mitigation. Risk assessment. The system includes features for risk assessment, helping businesses identify potential risks early in the process. By addressing these risks proactively, organizations can avoid costly compliance violations or quality failures. FME integration. Intellect QMS integrates failure modes and effects analysis, FME, for risk management, helping businesses prioritize and address potential risks based on their severity and likelihood. 6. Cross-industry versatility. Healthcare and life sciences. Intellect QMS helps ensure adherence to FDA regulations, ISO 13485, and other healthcare standards, enabling efficient management of product life cycle processes, including clinical trials, manufacturing, and distribution. Manufacturing. The system supports manufacturers in adhering to ISO 9001, automotive quality standards, and other relevant industry regulations, ensuring product quality while reducing waste and rework. Streamline your processes. The Intellect QMS advantage. Streamline your processes. The Intellect QMS advantage. Intellect's quality management system, QMS, offers a comprehensive platform designed to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance compliance across industries. Here's how Intellect QMS can benefit your organization. 1. Centralized document control. Manage and control documents seamlessly with automated workflows, ensuring that all documents are up to date, compliant, and easily accessible. 2. Efficient training management. Track employee training and certifications, ensuring that all personnel meet regulatory requirements and company standards. 3. Audit and compliance management. Simplify audit preparations with automated audit trails, checklists, and reports. Stay compliant with industry standards and regulations such as ISO, FDA, and GMP. 4. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. Effectively manage corrective and preventive actions by identifying issues, documenting root causes, and implementing solutions to prevent recurrence. 5. Risk management. Assess, prioritize, and mitigate risks using built-in risk assessment tools that comply with industry standards. 6. Integrated quality reporting. Leverage customizable reports and dashboards to track key performance indicators, KPIs, monitor quality trends, and make data-driven decisions. 7. Supplier quality management. Manage supplier performance, conduct evaluations, and ensure that suppliers meet your quality standards. 8. Process automation. Automate routine quality tasks like document approvals, audits, and reporting to reduce manual effort and increase accuracy. 9. Real-time collaboration. Collaborate across departments in real time, ensuring that everyone is aligned on quality objectives and improvements. 10. Scalability and flexibility. Intellect QMS is highly scalable and adaptable to the specific needs of your organization, whether you're a small business or a large enterprise. Unlocking the full potential of digital quality management with Intellect QMS. Intellect QMS, Quality Management System, is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline and enhance the management of quality processes across industries. To unlock its full potential in digital quality management, DQM, here are several strategies and features that can be leveraged. 1. End-to-end digitalization. Document control. Digitally manage all quality documentation, ensuring real-time access, version control, and compliance with industry standards. This eliminates paper-based systems, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. Audit management. Automate the scheduling, tracking, and reporting of audits, improving audit accuracy and enabling better preparation and follow-up actions. 2. Improved compliance and risk management. Regulatory compliance. Intellect QMS helps organizations stay compliant with industry regulations like ISO, FDA, and other standards by providing templates, workflows, and automated reporting. Risk management. The platform enables a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating risks through tools like FME, failure mode and effects analysis, and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions. 3. Real-time data and analytics. Data insights. Leverage built-in analytics tools to gain real-time insights into quality metrics, performance, and trends. This allows data-driven decision-making and helps identify areas of improvement. Performance tracking. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, across different departments to ensure continuous improvement. 4. Automation of key processes. Workflow automation. Streamline key quality processes such as CAPA, non-conformance management, and complaint handling through automated workflows. This reduces administrative overhead and ensures faster resolution of issues. Electronic signatures and approvals automate the approval processes for documents, processes, and compliance records with electronic signatures, improving the speed and traceability of actions. 5. Collaboration and communication. Collaboration tools enhance cross-departmental collaboration through integrated communication tools, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned and informed on quality-related activities. Training management automate the training process to ensure all employees are properly trained on quality standards and procedures, ensuring competency across the workforce. 6. Scalability and customization. Tailored solutions. Intellect QMS can be customized to meet the specific needs of an organization, adapting to different industries, regulatory requirements, and quality processes. Scalability. As your organization grows, Intellect QMS scales to accommodate increased workflows, users, and departments without compromising performance. From audit to action, transforming insights with Intellect QMS. From audit to action, transforming insights with Intellect QMS refers to leveraging the insights gained from audits and quality management processes within the Intellect QMS quality management system platform to drive meaningful actions. The goal is to not just track compliance or identify issues but to use this data effectively to improve processes, products, and organizational performance. Here's how this transformation works. 1. Audit data collection. Intellect QMS streamlines the process of auditing, ensuring that every audit is comprehensive and easy to manage. During audits, data is collected systematically and efficiently. These audits may cover various areas like internal processes, vendor performance, regulatory compliance, or product quality. 2. Analysis of insights. Once audit data is collected, Intellect QMS provides powerful analytics tools to transform raw data into actionable insights. These insights help identify gaps, inefficiencies, risks, and opportunities for improvement. Trends and patterns can be analyzed, allowing teams to understand root causes rather than just symptoms of problems. 3. Decision-making with real-time data. With Intellect QMS, the audit insights are available in real time, facilitating quicker decision-making. Managers and stakeholders can make informed decisions faster without waiting for manual reports. The ability to track KPIs and benchmarks can help organizations stay on course toward achieving their quality goals. 4. Actionable outcomes. Based on the insights gathered, action plans are developed to address any findings. This could include corrective actions, preventive measures, process redesign, or new quality controls. Intellect QMS often includes task management features that allow teams to assign responsibilities, track progress, and ensure follow-through on actions taken. 5. Continuous improvement. This continuous cycle of auditing, gaining insights, and taking action promotes a culture of continuous improvement. The system allows for tracking whether actions taken have effectively resolved issues or if further intervention is required. Feedback loops are essential for refining the system over time and ensuring that improvements are sustained. 6. Regulatory compliance and reporting. The system helps ensure that all actions taken are documented and compliant with regulatory requirements. It allows organizations to easily generate reports for internal stakeholders and external regulatory bodies, providing proof of compliance and demonstrating the effectiveness of corrective actions. The role of Intellect QMS in ensuring regulatory compliance. Intellect QMS, Quality Management System, plays a crucial role in ensuring regulatory compliance across various industries, particularly in highly regulated sectors such as healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing. It helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by providing a robust framework for managing quality processes, documentation, and audits. Here's how Intellect QMS supports regulatory compliance. 1. Centralized document control. Intellect QMS enables organizations to maintain control over critical documents, ensuring that they are up to date, easily accessible, and meet regulatory standards. It ensures that all documents, such as SOPs, standard operating procedures, policies, and work instructions, are consistently reviewed, approved, and stored according to compliance regulations. This reduces the risk of using outdated or non-compliant documents. 2. Audit management. Audit trails are essential for compliance with regulations like FDA 21 CFR Part 11 or ISO standards. Intellect QMS allows for the automated tracking of all changes to processes, documents, and data, ensuring a complete and transparent audit trail. This helps organizations demonstrate compliance during regulatory audits and inspections. 3. Risk management. Intellect QMS helps with identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with quality and compliance. It facilitates risk assessments and corrective actions that comply with industry-specific regulations. This proactive approach to risk management ensures that the organization is prepared for compliance challenges and can address them before they escalate. 4. Training and competency management. Regulatory bodies often require that employees are properly trained on relevant quality and compliance standards. Intellect QMS supports training management by tracking employee training records, certifications, and competency levels. This ensures that personnel are adequately qualified and compliant with regulatory requirements. 5. Non-conformance and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions. Intellect QMS supports the management of non-conformance reports, NCRs, and CAPAs, which are vital for addressing compliance issues. By automating the identification and resolution of non-conformances, the system ensures that corrective actions are taken promptly and are in compliance with relevant standards. 6. Change control management. Regulatory compliance often requires organizations to control and document changes to processes, systems, and products. Intellect QMS provides tools for managing change requests, evaluating their impact, and ensuring that changes are implemented in accordance with compliance requirements. This helps mitigate risks related to unauthorized or improper changes. 7. Regulatory reporting and compliance tracking. Intellect QMS helps organizations stay on top of regulatory reporting requirements by automating the generation of compliance reports. These reports ensure that organizations can track their performance against regulatory benchmarks and prepare for inspections or audits. 8. Supplier management. Regulatory compliance often extends beyond internal processes to include supplier management. Intellect QMS provides tools to monitor supplier performance, manage audits, and ensure that suppliers meet regulatory standards. This helps organizations ensure that their supply chain is compliant with applicable regulations. Customizable, scalable, reliable. Why businesses choose Intellect QMS? Customizable, scalable, reliable. Why businesses choose Intellect QMS? Intellect QMS, Quality Management System, is an innovative platform that stands out in the competitive landscape of business solutions due to its customizability, scalability, and reliability. Here's why businesses choose Intellect QMS. 1. Customizability. Tailored to business needs, Intellect QMS allows organizations to tailor the system to their specific requirements, whether it's adjusting workflows, customizing templates, or aligning the system with unique quality management standards. This level of flexibility ensures that the platform fits seamlessly into existing business processes. Configurable dashboards and reports. Businesses can design dashboards and generate reports that focus on the metrics that matter most to their operations, helping improve decision-making. 2. Scalability. Adapts to growth. As organizations expand, their needs evolve. Intellect QMS is designed to grow with the business, handling increased data volume and complex workflows without performance degradation. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, it supports both small-scale operations and global operations with ease. Cloud integration. Intellect QMS offers cloud-based solutions, allowing businesses to scale their operations across locations, integrate with other enterprise systems, and reduce infrastructure costs. 3. Reliability. Robust compliance features. Intellect QMS ensures businesses stay compliant with industry regulations, example ISO, FDA, GMP, by providing built-in compliance tracking and documentation management tools. This minimizes risks related to non-compliance. Minimizes downtime. The platform is designed for high availability, ensuring that businesses can rely on it for consistent quality management without worrying about downtime. Automated workflows and real-time tracking contribute to operational reliability. Data security. With advanced security features like role-based access control and encrypted data storage, Intellect QMS ensures the integrity and confidentiality of business-critical data. Why choose ProExcellency for Intellect QMS online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Intellect QMS online training can be a beneficial decision due to several reasons often highlighted by the organization and its training approach. Here's why ProExcellency might stand out. 1. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs experienced trainers who have hands-on expertise in Intellect QMS and real-world experience in quality management systems. Trainers provide insights into practical use cases, ensuring learners understand how to apply the system in their specific industries. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program often covers all essential aspects of Intellect QMS, including module navigation, configurations, document control, risk management, compliance and audit management, It ensures participants are well equipped to leverage the software for effective quality management. 3. Interactive online platform offers a user-friendly, live instructor-led training platform where participants can interact, ask questions, and receive instant feedback. Access to recordings for later review if the session was missed or to revisit key concepts. 4. Customized learning. Training programs can be tailored to suit the needs of individuals or organizations. Whether you're new to Intellect QMS or looking for advanced training, Pro Excellency often caters to varied expertise levels. 5. Flexible scheduling. The online training schedules are designed to accommodate professionals working in different time zones, making it convenient for global participants. 6. Practical focus. Includes real-world case studies and hands-on assignments to build a deeper understanding of the system's application. Prepares learners to implement Intellect QMS effectively in their respective domains. 7. Certification and post-training support. Upon course completion, participants usually receive a certification that adds value to their professional credentials. Post-training support to assist with any implementation challenges or additional queries. 8. A proven track record. Pro Excellency is recognized for delivering quality training across various enterprise tools, earning credibility and positive feedback from clients globally. 9. Cost-effective. Offers competitive pricing for its courses while maintaining quality, making it a cost-effective choice for professionals and organizations. Thank you.